Good day. I would like to wish to everyone who is watching this video presentation. My name is Woo Zhe Min, and the title which I'm going to present this morning is about a study on smart parking system to car parking problems in AN1802. For your information, my supervisor is TS Rahmat bin Muslim, whereas my co-supervisor is TS Norfaiza binti Yahya. Please allow me to begin my video presentation with presentation outline. It consists of 7 elements, which are introduction, problem statement, objectives, scope of the study, literature review, methodology, as well as conclusion. So let us start with introduction. A car parking system is defined as a solution which compromising barrier gates, access control system, as well as automated parking system, which are widely used in both public buildings and government buildings. Smart parking system is defined as a parking strategy which combines both technology and human innovation in an effort to use as few resources as possible, such as fuel, time, and space, to achieve a faster, easier, and denser parking. There are 5 main types of smart parking system in this current market, which are known as Parking Guidance and Information System, PGIS, Transmit-Based Information System, Smart Payment System, e-parking, and lastly, Automated Parking System. Smart parking system uses advanced technologies such as sensing devices, high megapixels cameras, vehicle scouting equipment, car occupancy detection, and etc. All the smart parking systems have some common advantages, such as optimizing the driving experience of a driver, saving time to search for vacant parking spaces for a driver, reducing usage of unrenewable energy, and preventing changes in climate. There are 4 main problems stated in problem statement. First, insufficient of car parking spaces, which causes long queue at the entrance, especially during public holiday and weekend. Second, the parking system does not display the rate of parking fare, which causes unnecessary misunderstanding of customer. Third, there is no occupancy detector in car park, which causes customer unaware of the availability of the parking space. Fourth, insufficient of signboard in the car park, which will cause unnecessary traffic jam in parking lot. There are a total of 3 objectives in this study, which are to identify common parking problems in shopping mall, followed by to propose suitable smart parking system, and lastly, to propose suitable smart parking system for reducing car parking problem in shopping mall. This study is mainly focused on the 5 main types of smart parking systems, which are Parking Guidance and Information System (PGIS), Transit-Based Information System, Smart Payment System, e-parking, and Automated Parking System. Another scope of this study also includes car park occupancy detector. There are 4 car parking occupancy detector, which are ultrasonic sensor, inductive loop detector, RFID, and infrared sensor. Implementation of vehicle detection technologies into smart parking system is also included in the scope of study. Last but not least, analysis of smart parking system also included in the scope of study. According to a researcher named Shaheen, she stated that the main function of PGIS is to help in making decisions in reaching desired destination and assisting drivers to search for vacant parking spaces. According to a researcher called Chin Run Grang, smart payment system is to reduce maintenance and staffing requirements as well as traffic control, because this system consists of several payment methods such as contactless method and mobile device. Next, according to Idris, transit-based information system provides drivers with real-time information of the car park. According to Inaba, Hodel, and Chong, drivers can easily make reservation of car parking through mobile phones, internet via wireless application protocol, personal digital assistant, and conventional computer through e-parking system. Last but not least, according to Shaheen, she stated that automated parking system provides extra safety measures to both patrons and vehicles because the machine will automatically place the vehicle to allocate spaces. The main purpose of developing a flowchart is to be a guidance for this study so as to have a clearer direction on what is going to be done next in order not to waste any unnecessary time. Basically, this entire study will be divided into two major components, which are FYP1 and FYP2. FYP1 consists of determination of title, problem statement and objective of the study, literature review, whereas FYP2 consists the rest of the study, which are data collection, compilation and analysis of data, discussion of results, conclusion, as well as recommendation for future study. In order to begin this research study, determination of title is first taken place. After determining the title, identifying common car parking system problem in shopping mall is the next step. For your information, this is the first objective of the entire study. The next objective of the study is identifying types of smart parking system. Next, literature review will be done by the researcher. Researcher will have to do as much research as possible in order to produce a quality literature review for this study. In this study, there are two methods to be used to collect data, which are Google Form and physical questionnaire. Data analysis is then carried out to propose which is the most suitable smart parking system for the shopping mall. Last but not least, discussion is carried out to discuss the reason of being chosen as the most suitable smart parking system. Advantages and disadvantages will also be discussed and stated in this stage. Before the end of the entire study, a recommendation for future study will also be stated. This is the location chosen for the study. AN1802 is chosen as the location of this study is because it meets all the criteria which the researcher is looking for. The next reason why it is chosen is because the author has been staying in Seremban 2 for 23 years, so he knows what are the problems of the car parking system in AN Seremban 2. Several steps of the study begins with defining the purpose of the study and objectives of the study as well. The next step is to search for relevant examples and data from the previous researchers. A planned survey layout and sample sampling is then carried out. The next step is to create data collection instrument. As I mentioned earlier, there are two methods were used to collect data from the respondents. Then, data is obtained and analyzed by using two software, which are Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheets. Microsoft Excel is used to analyze data obtained from questionnaire, whereas Google Spreadsheet is used to analyze data obtained from Google Form. Data is then applied in this study after analysis of data has been done. This is basically the entire survey steps of the study. In conclusion, introduction, literature review, as well as methodology have been well explained in this presentation video. The scope and the objectives of the study have also been clearly specified. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for spending your precious time for watching my presentation video until the end. Have a nice day.